welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rachel. I am an NPC bikini competitor and this is my second season of competing. And we're coming up on the end of it because this is my last show of the season here in July 2023. If you are not new here, you might be thinking, you already got a suit this year. Why did you get another one? What is the reason? So unfortunately, if you saw my video where I unboxed my previous suit that I had bought for this year, when I got home, I realized that it did not fit me properly. I made it work for the past two shows because I didn't really have an option. Thankfully, there was enough string for me to barely tie the back of it, but barely. Also, the bottoms, I just feel like even though they are pro cut for that specific suit maker, I feel like I need personally less fabric because my glutes are not the biggest. And so with more fabric, it makes your glutes look smaller. Less fabric is going to make them look bigger. You know, there's a happy medium of too much or too little fabric. So yeah, that's why ultimately I just decided, you know, this is like kind of like causing me stress every time I wear it for a show. Like, kind of just like disappointing every time I like look at it or wear it, and you don't want that feeling associated with show day at all because it's a big day, it's a special day, and you should feel confident on your show day in every aspect. Even though I, you know, did not budget to be buying a second suit this year already, I went ahead and did it. It's kind of like the thing with the shoe fairy last year during my first year of competing, when I originally had bought cheap Amazon heels and realized like these are not it, and then bought the shoe fairy and was like, oh my gosh, like I shouldn't have tried to cut corners. Well, I probably shouldn't have tried to cut corners originally on my suit, as far as price goes, is what I mean. Today, we're going to be unboxing my first ever Toxic Angelz Bikini, and I am so excited. I have to do check-ins right after this, so I haven't ate or really drank anything today. I've had a couple sips of my coffee and that's it because I have to do check-ins, but I want to wear this for check-ins, so we gotta get this video done first. I'm going to give you my first impressions, show you my brand new suit, and tell you if I think that splurging a little bit, spending a little bit more money on your first suit or just suit in general is worth it. I think we can all guess what my answer is going to be, but is it worth it? Because Toxic Angelz is who I originally wanted to buy from. I've been following them forever and I'm like, oh, I want one of their suits, but they're so expensive. I want one, but they're expensive. And honestly, they're not as bad as a couple companies are about price, and they will work with you, have sales throughout the year, and they have like this buy now, design later thing that you get a huge discount when you do. Ultimately, they're really not that much more. Like, I think this suit costs like 180 more than my suit that didn't fit. Do the math on that and figure out how much money I could have just saved if I would have just bought this one in the first place. There's one thing I've learned in life is just buy what you actually want, because eventually you're gonna buy it anyway if you go the cheap route, and ultimately you will have spent more money in the long run. Let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful suit. I have not seen any pictures of it. I designed it with their suit designer Kat, literally from scratch. Bless her, because I was like, basically I told her, I was like, I want a green suit, but I don't want it to be too green. I want some blue in there, but I don't want it to be too blue. I mean, really complicated. At least I feel like I was complicated. They really just, I mean, she went above and beyond for like finding every little crystal that would work perfectly, finding the perfect fabric. And if you're going to order from them, definitely do a suit consult. Even if you feel like you don't need it, do it. There's extras. Ah, that's so exciting. Oh my gosh. This is Margaret, the owner of it. There's a little, what is this, t-shirt? Oh my gosh. I love me a good extra. Oh my gosh, and it's cropped. Toxic Angelz bikinis. I will definitely be wearing this. I love when companies do little things like that. That's just cherry on top. I got a suitcase with it because I actually ordered this on Memorial Day weekend because they were having a sale and you had to spend a certain amount to get the bigger discount, and I was like, I think like $18 away, and it was obviously gonna save me more money to just get the bigger discount. So I got a case for it, like a clamshell or something. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay, they have a little shoe fairy card in here. If you guys do want to look into the shoe fairy, they're, I mean, incredible. They're the only heels you will ever need, especially for stage, but I also wear them off stage because they're so comfy. You can use code RACHYDIMP to save. I just adore them. This suit is perfect. It's perfect. It's the perfect mix of blue and green. Wow. Okay, so I have only seen Toxic Angelz bikinis in pictures and videos online. I have never gone to a show and gotten to see them in person or had a friend or anything that has had one of their suits, but I know just from looking at the pictures, their quality is amazing, so I can't wait to feel the quality of this suit. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, that is just so beautiful. And the cups are the perfect size. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I think this is the perfect color because blue is my favorite color, but I've decided green is probably more so my stage color because one, blue is so popular, and I feel like green with the red hair. My hair has faded since stage. My hair is naturally a little bit lighter red than this, but I've been getting it colored dark with barely red tint to it for stage because dark hair does do better on stage. Gotta get it done again before, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Here are the bottoms. So the bottoms, I actually got a wellness front, V-front bottom. They've done a couple of Bikini Pros suits and a wellness V-front, and I really love it. On my leggings, like I love the V-front in the leggings because it's so flattering, so it makes so much sense on a bikini to have that little V because I just think it is so much more flattering on your waist than the scoop or like the straight across. It's something that's new in bikini, and I'm really excited to rock it because I think this is the next bikini trend. I don't know for sure, but I really think that the V front is going to be the next trend that you're gonna see in bikini. A lot of people talk about like, oh, are we gonna get to see like patterns? Are we gonna get to see, you know, more fun, brighter colors or bigger crystals like the WBFF wears or whatever? But no, I think it's gonna be this V-front because I don't know a single girl who doesn't prefer this on their leggings or pants or whatever. I can imagine the more this catches on, like the more people that get this, the more it's gonna catch on, especially the more pros that get it. The Micro Pro, which is the least amount of fabric basically that you can get in the back. It is beautiful. It's like the perfect color, truly. It's absolutely more sparkly than any of my other bikinis that I have. Like 100% it's more sparkly. Just wow. And this is the, what is it called? Burst or Ultimate Burst. So it's a little bit ombre. It's, mine personally isn't a intense ombre because all my stones are bluish green. They're all just different variations of blues and greens. They have other ones on their website that are a little bit more of an intense ombre, like an obvious one, but this one's just a subtle one, which is exactly what I wanted. Nothing too in your face, but like it's there for the dimension. Beautiful. And then they've got their logo on the inside. Okay, I guess that's all for this unboxing. I mean, I'm just obsessed. It's beautiful. I always wanted to do this. Okay, so other bikinis that I've had, if I scratched the crystals, some of them would come off. On their Instagram, they're always doing scratch tests, which I'm like, it really also drew me to them because I'm like, that is how it should be. This is, you know, this is a $600 bikini. Shouldn't have to worry about a crystal coming off the first time I wear it. Let's see. Yep, this is it. This is my brand. This is my bikini brand. I'm not switching ever again. Actually also a not molded top, like a flat top, but I did add stuffing just in case. because you never know, I might want it. But yeah, ultimately right now, I would say, I mean, I can probably say in the long run, if you are going to compete more than once, just do yourself a favor and buy the suit that you really want. Truly just buy what you actually want, because in the long run, you're gonna be happier with that decision, even if it costs you a little bit more money. If you buy a suit that maybe has less crystals or is cheaper or, you know, is just a different brand or whatever the case may be. Maybe, you know, like I had my eye on Toxic Angels and I was like, no, I just like, I can't afford it. But, you know, now I bought other suits that aren't getting used, and yeah. Just do yourself a favor and just spend the extra money on yourself to get you what you truly want. So if you're going to compete for a while, because it is an investment, like especially their suits, like they are made to last. If you go follow them on Instagram for a little bit, you'll see that their suits are truly made to last. And so it is an investment. So last look at my beautiful suit. I'll probably insert a little posing video here after this, but thank you guys so much for watching. Unfortunately, I do not have a discount code for Toxic Angels right now, but in the future, if I get one, I will definitely let you guys know. I'm so happy with my suit and I'm so excited to wear it. Really happy with my like customer service experience with them, and just everything is definitely on point. They have it together over there. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly. You're a butterfly. Butterfly. Wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly. Butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a light. You were never quiet.